So over here you can see that I have an email right here, and let's say if the emails from Microsoft Outlook, I want to sweep it out to other places. That means I don't want it on my inbox. So I can simply go around and select out these emails right here from Microsoft Outlook, as you can see right here, and click on sweep. Once I do that, it says messages from Microsoft Outlook calendar. That is no reply at Microsoft.com. So move all the messages from inbox right here, the two deleted items. But I don't want that. I want it to be swept to Microsoft folder right here, or MS folder. You can also always move the messages older than 10 days from the inbox folder as well, or move all the messages from inbox folder, or move all the messages from inbox folder and any future message over here to MS as well from this particular sender. You can also always keep the latest message and move the rest from the inbox folder as well. But I'm going to click the option move all the messages from the inbox folder and any future messages. And once I do that, what happens is that rules have been applied and all the messages will be moved to MS folder right here. So once I go around over here, you can see that it says move all the messages from Microsoft Outlook calendar right here. This has been added out as a rule, and that is what sweep option does. And that is how you can utilize the sweep option inside of Microsoft Outlook. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.